chapter 11, text 26 onwards. Okay, Lord Ram's sweet dealings with his brothers and other citizens. 26. आस्तिक मार्गाम गंधोदयी करिणाम मद शीकरई स्वामिनं प्राप्तम आलोक्य मत्ताम वा सुतराम इव. Astic margam, the streets were sprinkled gandh uday with perfumed water, karinam of elephants, mad shikrai with particles of perfumed liquor. Swaminam, the master or proprietor, praptam present, alokya seeing personally, mattam very opulent, va either, sutaram highly, eva as if. During the reign of Lord Ramchandra, the streets of the capital Ayodhya were sprinkled with perfumed water and drops of perfumed liquor, thrown about by elephants from their trunks. When the citizens saw the Lord personally supervising the affairs of the city in such opulence, they appreciated this opulence very much. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. We have simply heard about the opulence of Ram Rajya during the reign of Lord Ramchandra. Now here is one example of the opulence of the Lord's kingdom. The streets of Ayodhya were not only cleaned but also sprinkled with perfumed water and drops of perfumed liquor, which were distributed by elephants through their trunks. So there was no need of sprinkling machines, for the elephants has a natural ability to suck water through its trunk and again throw it out in a shower. We can understand the opulence of the city from this one example. It was actually sprinkled with perfumed water. Moreover, the citizens had the opportunity to see the Lord personally supervising the affairs of the state. So such was the opulence of the place Ayodhya. Many other places also explained in Srimad Bhagavatam, like the place of Maharaj Uttanpad, Prithu Maharaj, different places, this kind of Manu Maharaj, these kind of explanations are there where the opulence of the city is explained. So that shows that how greatly those people were opulent. Now we are nothing in front of them, no comparison. So that's what we cannot say that we are progressing, we are going down. It's degrading. But the unfortunate situation is that the people actually they are degrading themselves, but they are thinking that they are upgrading in the form of machines and scientific development. Okay, that's why Prabhupada is saying that there is no such need of any machines actually. Okay, for everything is arranged. Actually, what scientists are thinking that there is some lacking in the design of God. In this natural system there are some shortcomings. So we have to invent some machines to overcome those shortcomings of nature. That's what they think. So they create some machines, some automobiles, some many things. But they don't know that natural system is perfect. Nature system is perfect because it is done by Mother Nature, who is the energy of Krishna and under the supervision of Krishna. So nothing can happen like that. Okay, no error will come. Why? Because it is done under the supervision of Krishna. Maya Dakshin Prakati Suyate Sa Characharam. Krishna is saying that everything is done under my supervision by the nature. So nature cannot, there is no possibility of any error in the plan or in the arrangement of nature. But the scientists think like that. And then that's why it's very subtle thing. That's why they think, okay, this should not be like this. Let us create a machine so we can do things in another way. So when what happened is like, first thing is that because of our less intelligence and because of our imperfect senses, we cannot understand the perfect plan of nature or God or Krishna. Because in order to understand somebody's perfect plan, I have to have that perfect intelligence, right? That's what, like if you play chess, so opponent player, if you want to understand all his plans, you have to be expert like him only. Then only you can understand what next he is going to do. So people of Kali Yuga don't have that expertness. They are having imperfect senses. They have no knowledge to that level. So for them it looks like that there are some flaws, some errors in the natural systems. So they try to correct them by their machine and their these inventions. Okay, but what is the problem with them is that they cannot do that. Why? Because they, in order to correct, okay, suppose there is an error in the natural system, so you want to correct it. First of all, there is no error, but it's just for the sake of conversation, if we agree that okay, there is error in natural system. So in order to correct that, scientists are the first place if they are proud of one thing, that is there, and this weapons, fire weapons, this different type of missiles and this. So you see so many side effect of that, right? So many side effect, no? And lot of money is invested in this only. So there are a lot of other problems as well. And when if this these weapons are used, then huge destruction. Then automobiles and many factories all create pollution, and they have finished the earth so much. They have taken out the petrol and petroleum products from earth, so it is all disturbed, right? Because of so many disturbance, they have removed the trees, so there is global warming, there is so many other problems, right? So who is doing that? These modern scientists, because their inventions are having so many side effects. Earlier days, they used to do experiment in the ocean for missiles and all. So when they do ocean and when they do experiment in the ocean, what used to happen? The ocean water will be completely disturbed. All the living entities inside the ocean will be disturbed. They have invented plastic. Plastic is killing everyone. Okay, many species in the oceans are dying just like because of so much plastic being dumped inside the ocean. From all the places, the plastic is coming and being dumped in the ocean, and the oceans, small species, they are getting disturbed, they are getting killed, they are harmed. So there are a lot of issues there. Okay, so that's why one has to not only sentimentally accept the Vedic system. Okay, one don't have to sentimentally or emotionally, oh Lord Ram, oh Jai Shri Ram. No, you have to understand what it is. Okay, what the Vedas are saying, what the Bhagavatam is saying. Right? So Bhagavatam is giving clear picture that how great they were at the time of Lord Ramchandra, and we are nothing. So we are degrading. That point we have to be clear that actually we are degrading. We are not progressing, we are going down. Okay, because when we understand we are going down, then only we will lose the faith on these scientific inventions, and we will get faith in Krishna, in Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. So we have to have that faith in Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam, right? So when we analyze like this, then only we will understand that what is mentioned in Bhagavatam is right. Otherwise we think, oh, it's all mythology. Okay. So then another point was that citizens were so happy. Why? Because they have direct association with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Ramchandra. He was not a sleeping monarch, as we can understand from his activities in sending his brothers to see the affairs outside the capital and punish anyone who did not obey the emperor's orders. This is called Digvijaya. The citizens were all given facilities for peaceful life, and they were also qualified with appropriate attributes according to Varnashrama. As we have seen from the previous chapter, Varnashrama gunanvitaah. The citizens were trained according to the varnashram system. A class of men were brahmanas, a class of men were kshatriyas, a class were vaishyas, and a class were shudras. Without this scientific division, there can be no in his devices and treated the citizens and the citizens not have felt happy during the reign of Lord Ramchandra. So these are the glories of Lord Ramchandra kingdom. Prasad Gopur Sabha Chaitya Dev Grahadishu Vinyas. Okay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Ram, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Is it audible now? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram,